Hey, Ruby, didn't you die from sadness?
No one actually dies from sadness, silly.
Wait, really?
Really?
I guess I should have known that.
OMG, it's like break time.
I didn't know there was a break time.
Every girl needs their break time.
Come here, Book. And Ruby, you too.
Yay!
No way, Nickel. Only 3 smarters are allowed to have a break time. You should know that. Get back to your cranking, Nickel.
Oh my god, what a poo-poo face.
5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we absolutely hate?
Hey, I think your break is over. It's been like 19 hours, I think.
Excuse me? You did not just tell me.
Maybe Nicola's right.
No, Book, no. Our break is over when it's time to be over.
And when will that be?
Right now. See, Nickel? You just complain way too much. Like, way too much. Complain, complain, complain. I can see why no one cares to pick up a dropped nickel.
OMG, like it's break time again.
Yay! 99% done. That means only 9 hours left.